In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a Booking.com gift card in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to surprise a friend with the gift of travel or perhaps just plan ahead for your own adventures, purchasing a Booking.com gift card is straightforward and quick. Let's dive in and guide you through this easy process. Your first step is to hop onto your computer or smartphone. Open up your favorite web browser and head over to Amazon's website. You're looking for a very specific section, so type in Booking.com gift card in the search bar or follow this link, Amazon.com/Booking.com gift card. This webpage features a selection of gift cards specifically for use on Booking.com. Once you've arrived at the page showcasing the available gift cards, take a moment to browse the options. Here, you have the chance to choose a design that suits the occasion or the recipient's personality. Whether it's a birthday, anniversary, or just because, pick the visual that speaks to you. After deciding on the design, you'll need to select how much value you want the gift card to hold. There are usually several denominations available, so pick an amount that suits your budget and the gift occasion. Now it's time to enter some key details. Find the section where you need to input the recipient's information. This is where you'll type in the recipient's email address, add their name, and you can even include a personal message to accompany your gift. This personal note can make the gesture even more special, tailoring your gift to the occasion or simply sharing a heartfelt sentiment. Once satisfied with the details entered, the next step is to click the Buy Now button. This action will direct you to the next part of your purchase journey, securing the checkout. You'll be guided through the process to enter your payment information. Make sure the payment details you provide are accurate to avoid any hiccups. Online payment platforms are generally secure, but it's always a good idea to double-check this information before proceeding. And just like that, you've completed the transaction. After successfully completing the purchase and payment, the gift card will be sent directly to the recipient's email or delivered as specified, ready to be used on their next Booking.com reservation. Congratulations, you've just learned how to purchase a Booking.com gift card with ease. This simple yet effective gift can open up a world of possibilities, letting your recipient choose their own adventure, whether it's a weekend getaway or a longer vacation. Thank you for watching and enjoy giving the gift of travel.